Cleaning the NuWave Sous Vide steam oven is necessary for proper maintenance of the device. In order to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the oven, be sure to regularly clean the interior after several uses, or if enough cooking residue has built up inside the oven. Before attempting to clean the oven, it is recommended to activate the steam function and let the interior of the oven build up with steam. This will soften any residue stuck inside and help make the cleaning process easier. After the interior of the oven has been steamed, turn off the oven and carefully open the door to allow the oven to cool down before touching any inside parts. Before cleaning the sous vide steam oven, unplug the device to cut off power connection. Remove any included accessory from the oven and wash it separately in a sink or in a dishwasher. Use a wet rag or paper towel to initially wipe off as much residue as you can. Next, using a sponge, some water, and some dish soap, scrub the interior surface of the oven. Once the interior is covered with soap, allow the surfaces to soak for a couple of minutes. Finally, take a clean, dry rag and wipe down the soap from the interior surfaces. If necessary, repeat the process to the best of your ability until cleanliness is satisfactory. After the interior of the sous vide steam oven has been thoroughly cleaned and dried, you may return any of the included accessories back inside the oven. Your oven is now ready to be used again.
NuWave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.